What's up, fam? Today's our last day in Moab. We hit up the Magnificent Five. Now we're just traipsing around town, checking out the shops. They weren't hungry, so I walked down and got a burger from Milt's. Stop and eat. It was pretty good. Chuck the steak's better. Let's go meet up with the guys. Go! What is this?
So in general, it's an event where people can kind of demo new bikes. Other things go on too, and it's like networking and meeting people, but there's a lot of the manufacturers of their new bikes here.
Nice. Further down.
I have not. That was our plan this trip, and after some pretty serious stuff on like Enchilada that we saw, and we decided that it probably wasn't going to be.
I don't think I have the hands for it anymore.
Yeah, I've heard it's pretty gnarly exposure.
Yeah.
So
I mean, a lot of it's nice, but some of it's hike a bike kind of deal. So,
yeah, I figure if I have to walk,
yeah.
That's what we figured.
Right.
And we were like, well, we'll just take it easy today. And after doing the enchilada yesterday.
All right, see you at the bottom.
Cool. Have a good one, guys.
Yeah.
Safe, man. Travels, man.
Shred. Woo! All good? Cool. Hey, Judah. Oh, you already knew. Thanks. Oh. 3 more.
All right.
Sorry.
No, you're good. I wasn't gonna make it either.
Anybody have a spare pedal?
Spare pedal? Yeah. Oh shit, we had one in the car. That blows.
Yeah.
I wish I could be of help. Oh, sorry, man.
Oh, no worries.
You're good. Nah, you're good. The rest of my group isn't as fast. Want us to take a picture of you?
Oh, sure.
See if those are good.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You want a picture? Oh yeah, our bike shop shirt. Oh geez. Is it doable?
Run fast. It actually goes pretty smooth.
Jump from up there, get like third gear, just run. I started slowing down and saw these people, and then I looked up and there's a friggin' wall. Stay right. That was a big old pedal strike. I just wasn't paying attention. Big old pedal strike, so I went over. Can I get my torque wrench?
You went over?
Yeah.
Oh. Is that just like go boom, catapult you over?
Yeah.
Is that what that does?
Yeah.
Enchilada was a blast. And this is pretty fun.
Yes, I thought that once I realized today was going to be more mild, that would be a nice little
Send off.
end. Nope, I'm too good. Oh, not down this though. Oh! I think it's the bike path up here.
Start it up.
Wouldn't be opposed to walking through those and seeing.
I wouldn't either if we can get in. We could just walk over there like we own the fucking place. I'll get a cheeseburger, no onion, and then I think I'll get a chocolate shake too. Yep. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Jude and I are sneaking away for date night.
Some pasta. Digging some pasta J's.
Sadly, it is time to go. All loaded up. On to Omaha. Gotta swing through Denver though. I want to try In-N-Out. Never had In-N-Out burger. That was more difficult than the enchilada. So if you haven't seen all my videos, a few videos ago I posted the story about that burglary. When I walked up to the car, I didn't notice that window. and didn't think anything of the stuff in my seat until after I turned the camera off. If you want to know what happened, go back, watch the video titled I Lost Everything. It's all in there. There will be an update video here soon. But anyway, back to the video. Found a cool little abandoned gas station on our way home. Let's see what's in here. Birds. A lot of broken glass.
At least have the courtesy and use the front door.
No, there's a bar through it. There's a kitchen. They left all the stuff. There's a fridge.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Man, I appreciate that.
I wonder if there's any squatters.
Gee, they left all the cups back there, all over your seats.
Someone wrote butt cheek. I think there's a lawnmower over there. Yeah, a lawnmower.
And they left in a hurry.
Mm-hmm. It's early. We could have pooped over here. Babies are stupid. Oh, hey, penis. Should we open the fridge?
Yeah, shoot's in the fridge.
Oh, God, I'm so scared to open it. Nothing.
Nothing?
Some chips. Did they leave any Cokes in the fridge?
The Coke's in the fridge over there. We'll see if they got a Coke. Prevent injury
And pollution.
Facilities. Men's and women's. 10% off shirts.
Nice. Oh. Any Sprite left? No.
Oh, 79 cents for Pepsi.
Would you like some Coke? Fountain Coke? Neato. I guess we should probably go out the door.
Probably should.
Now that we have asbestos poisoning. Oh, this one's locked.